spaces are a decent size.
Yeah, that's what I always use these. Just finding one.
Where's the car from, mate?
Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's sick. Is it legal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Curious to see what their reaction will be.
Oh, so it's legal, like you're right to drive it?
Yeah. Completely legal, yeah.
Blue lights. Blue lights. Yeah. I think that'll wind them up, will it? How'd you get hold of that then? Long story, yeah? Sick though, isn't it?
Come by, mate.
Yeah.
That's tight. Not going to fit there.
Yeah, that's nice, honestly. I bet you get some looks, don't you?
All the time,
Yeah.
We have fun in places like this.
But it drinks the fuel, yeah? It's got everything in it as well, it's got
Oh, yeah. We have some blasts in there.
What's that? I bet you get loads of people come up to you. You've chosen that with it, or not?
Yeah. Excuse me.
Can I take a picture? I'll take your side on, I won't take your plate or nothing.
We're trying to find a good space.
Probably best up parking in the disabled over there. Like.
I know, yeah, but then you
Mum is trying to take a photo. Oh, you're far away from it. You're far. You're getting a few behind as well.
Yeah.
You're in a good spot, Colin. I think our base. We're all outside. He does show up. You pop you in that one. Do it.
What? What's your problem this time, Mrs?
Yeah, she's open all week, I think. Yeah, 7 days, yeah. You know, but I can't start it, okay? Get done 12. Whoa. I like 12. it's still going now. Nothing else on the way. So I go there. Yeah,
That's a beauty.
So I live in Oldley.
That's what my dad used to have.
Only down the road from us, isn't it? Me, Church Street. I live in the top of a little cottage. Right in Oldley. Yeah, cottage, yeah. There we go. Just up from Tesco's now, there's a 1 house with windows, door, that's me. Yeah, I'm diabetic, Tim's at the top's the best in here. Yeah. I'm past yours because I work on our business park.
Siren test.
Oh. I fucking hear you every time they know.
Been thrown in the back of the police car, so I don't think I'll be able to do much today because these guys, for some reason, took one look at me and threw me in the back. What's your name, sorry?
My name's Lucas.
Luke, nice to meet you, Luke. You came down here with your police car. I'm guessing, did you convert this, or was it like this when you bought it?
Like it when I bought it.
You bought it like this?
It was in a poor state. I got it heavily discounted as a result. But over the past 2 years, I've been doing it up. I've easily spent by now about £6,000 on it.
You spent about £6,000 on this so far.
You'll notice the condition of the bodywork is immaculate because it's recently been resprayed, new graphics. It's
Is there anything else to do, so this is it done?
Well, the outside is done. We're now starting on the inside. Got to replace the steering wheel because
Yep.
it's shot to pieces.
Is this your dream car? Very quick. Is this your dream car?
Absolutely.
Is it?
Since I was 5 years old.
Since you were 5 years old, this was your dream car?
Absolutely. Because these cars have been in production that long, I have literally grown up with these. I was born in '98. That's when they started making these, and they ran up until 2011. Grew up with these, like, Need for Speed, Hot Pursuit.
You've even got the Twinkies in here as well with all the sweets and everything. It's absolutely a toy car. You turn up in the uniform. This is absolutely brilliant.
Oh, really? Wrong lane, you fucking moron.